Hello and welcome to the 10,000 Foot View YouTube channel. My name is Ed Goss. I'm the owner and managing director for 10,000 Foot View. My agency focuses on pay-per-click and Google Ads in particular. We've been at this for 10 years and I've worked with almost 300 clients at this point. This YouTube channel is going to be exclusively about Google Ads. In the coming weeks, I'll be posting Google Ads quick tips. They'll all be a couple of minutes each, and I hope that you find those valuable. If you find this content useful, you can also find me on Reddit at TTFV. I'm very active on the Reddit PPC sub. So if you have questions you'd like to reach out and ask me, you can get in touch there. And you can also check out the 10,000 Foot View blog where I post monthly longer articles, how-tos, and about current trends in Google Ads. That's it for now. Please come back and check out the videos.